Welcome to the McMaster University Continuing Education Corporate and Custom Training webinar. We are delighted to have you join us in learning more about how we provide custom corporate training to fit your organization's needs. My name is Patty Lago, and I will be facilitating today's session. Since 1887, McMaster University prides itself with inspiring critical thinking, personal growth, and a passion for lifelong learning. As a dedicated community partner and ranked as one of Hamilton and Niagara Region's top 100 employers, we proudly serve the social, cultural, and economic needs of our community and our society. Putting our local Hamilton, Ontario on the map as an internationally renowned university, McMaster University is only one of 4 Canadian universities ranked in the world's top 75. In 2019, we were ranked second in the world in Times Higher Education Universities Impact Rankings based on the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, and in 2018 received the Global Teaching Excellence Award from the Higher Education Academy for our strengths in experiential learning and our commitment to global engagement. As Canada's most research-intensive medical doctoral university, in 2017 and 18, we were named by Research InfoSource committed to the McMaster model, a problem-based, student-centered approach to learning. We pride ourselves in being the academic home to approximately 31,843 students representing over 113 countries and have more than 196,000 alumni representing 139 countries and 988 dedicated full-time faculty. McMaster's continuing education has inspired people to discover and achieve through lifelong learning since 1931. As one of Canada's largest and leading providers of professional development and corporate training, we offer more than 200 courses and workshops that blend both theoretical knowledge and practical applications to help organizations build employee skills and expand their potential. Areas of focus include business and management, communication and design, health and social services. Whether you want to upgrade your team's current skills, earn a professional designation, or assist employees with transitioning and career change, McMaster's programs will open the doors to learning and development. Corporate training has evolved in much more than an isolated event in today's corporate world. The work environment we face today requires employees to multitask, to have excellent time management skills, and to easily adapt to the constantly changing workplace. Corporate training bears several significant advantages for both employers and employees, but it's only implemented and successfully unless it's done in a thoughtful way. Let's look at the advantages of offering corporate custom training. Educated workforce. Every employee has some weaknesses. A carefully devised corporate training program will allow employees to overcome challenges by gaining higher skills and knowledge. It reduces dependency on workers who are technically knowledgeable and helps employees to work independently without much supervision and guidance. Increased efficiency in training programs lead to better efficiency and, in turn, productivity. Trained employees are able to perform better because of improved skill sets such as better communication, the ability to think logically and critically, and apply information in an improved manner. They're able to adapt and change comfortably, which is a must in a world that's evolving at a breakneck speed. Higher job satisfaction and lower attrition. The rate that employees who are trained tend to be happy employees, and happy employees translate into better performance. Employees who receive training are more likely to value and respect the organization and continue with their employer, thus reducing the overturn rate. This results in fewer resources being spent on attrition hiring and training new talent. By developing and implementing the right corporate training program, organizations may increase employee retention by keeping them satisfied, happy, and contributing to a company's prosperity. So, steps to success. Our corporate and custom training team is committed to working with you to find the best solution to achieve your goals. Several steps that can be taken to improve the odds for success would include canvassing your team and asking them about their professional development goals, Connect the learning to your organization's strategic plans, creating a positive learning climate, removing any barriers to success, such as time, space, permission to fail, enhancing your employee engagement. From McMaster's continuing education perspective, a learning organization looks like a cultural work environment that offers the following: collaboration across teams and departments, open communication, employees who are engaged, learning library that's openly available to all employees, encourage the sharing of new ideas and knowledge in meetings, celebrating successes and confidently sharing failures as your team practices their new knowledge and skills. For additional information, please feel free to visit our website at mcmastercce.ca. Or, should you have questions, kindly feel free to email me directly at logop@mcmaster.ca. Take care, and we look forward to hearing from you.